Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Children, let's start our maths work. This is our maths book. Maths Beginner A. Children, did you learn the concept of big and small? Did you learn the concept of big and small? Big and small. Yes. Big, gut. Big, gut. And small, varkote. Big, small. Did you learn? Das deklo kana big avdayo small. Tasidad wala deke big avdayo small. Big hard big big or small small. Yes. Now let's learn long and short. Today we will learn long and short. Let's see this video.
Hey friends! Today, let's compare objects using their lengths. Look at these paintbrushes. This paintbrush is long, whereas this paintbrush is short. A hockey stick is long, and a table tennis bat is short. Here is a pencil and an eraser. The pencil is long, while the eraser is short.
Okay children, now let's do this activity from our book.
Okay children, now we will learn the concept of long and short. Wamunga long or short page no. Long and short. Long short 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 long short long short long and short. Yes, long ugal or short varkote. Observe the long and short objects. Ustad sallallahu alaihi wasallam darkadi pade ki bata so gore che kampake long di kampake short di. Yes, what is this? Train. The train de dayo train ogore de dumra de dayo dumra de come your long de. Yes, this one long दूसरा ज़्याद डबे दिशा तो पसे ओगोरा द पसे 1 2 3 4 5 और द पसे इंजन पसे 1 2 लगी दिली. This is long. This is long. This is long. Dayo long de long. And this one short short short. Now let's see what is this. Pencil pencil. And this is another pencil. Which one is long? Come here, long de also go re. This one. And this one is short short. Come here, gadde dayo long long. This one is long dayo bake long or dayo short long short long short. Yes. Now let's observe this one. Okay, this is chain. Zanjir देखा ना. Which one is long? दाव हो रहे देखिए 1 2 3 4 खड़े रहे देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 कमियों पर क्यों गद्दे long? Yes, this one long, 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 and this is short. This is short, short, long, short, long, short. Okay, children, now let's observe. What is this? Now let's observe. What is this? Bus. Yes, bus. Bus. And what is this? Yes, train. This is train. Train. Dayo sari bus. Aw dayo train. Train ugadi ku bus. बस हो यो डबई और पर ट्रेन की ढेर डबी यस ट्रेन इज लॉन्ग 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 शॉर्ट शॉर्ट दिस इज शॉर्ट दिस इज लॉन्ग 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 शॉर्ट शॉर्ट Teaching point help the student to compare objects of different length using term long or short. मतलब द माशुमानो दागे त मुख्तलिफ किस्म ऑब्जेक्ट्स अगवर के चागे के आगे कंपेरिजन की द लॉन्ग और द शॉर्ट चागे तो पता हो लगी कम लॉन्ग दे और कम शॉर्ट थे मिसाल के तौर पर तासवागी था स्टिक्स लख्त वर के यो लख्त लॉन्ग वी यो शॉर्ट वी दगे अलावा तासवागी तो पेंसिल्स वर कवले शे लाइन्स वर ड्रा कवले शे मज़ा से मुख्तलिफ किस्म ऑब्जेक्ट्स आगे शो के चागे द लॉन्ग और द शॉर्ट कंसेप्ट आगे क्लियर शी Objective of this lesson to identify objects according to their lengths. چې ماشومان سیزونه د هغې د length مطابق وپېژني چې کم long دی کم short دی.
Hello friends! Have you ever thought why some objects can be easily lifted while some cannot? Well, this is because different objects have different weights. When we classify objects based on their weight, we get heavy and light objects. This watermelon is heavy, while the strawberry is light. Look at this ship. It is heavy, whereas this boat is light. A football is heavy, but a balloon is light.
Okay children, now let's learn this concept of heavy and light in our book.
Children, did you learn the concept of heavy and light? Heavy and light. तासो heavy और light पेजंदल? Yes, heavy और light. Drun heavy, spuck light, heavy light. Children, what is this? Heavy. And what is this? Light. Heavy light, heavy light, heavy and light. This is light, heavy light. Now let's compare these objects. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is duck, duck, and this is chicken, chicken. Choosada. Chergute de, da duck da, batak da. Which one is heavy? Ade kamyo drana da. دا پکې غټه ده نو دا درنه ده heavy ده heavy duck پکې heavy ده duck پکې سره heavy او chicken light light heavy light heavy light. Okay, now let's compare these objects. What is this? Asadi? Panda. Yes, panda. Panda. And what is this? Cat. This is cat. Pishoda. Which one is heavy? Come here, but heavy day. Yes, this one. Heavy. 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 This is light. 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 Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. Yes. Teaching points: help the students to compare objects of different weight using terms heavy or light. یعنی ماشومان ته مختلف قسم objects ورکې چې په هغې کې هغې د heavy او د light د هغې weight د هغې comparison هغې وکړي چې ماشومان په خپله د هغې weight وپېژني چې کوم پکې heavy دی کوم پکې light دی د دې وجې هغې ته مختلف قسم objects هغه د practice لپاره ورکې او هغې په دې پوهه کې چې کوم پکې heavy دی او کوم پکې light. Objective of this lesson to identify objects according to their weight چې ماشومان د weight مطابق هغه څیزونه وپېژني چې د هغې weight وپېژني چې کم heavy دی او کم light. Okay children, did you learn the concept of long and short? تاسو long او short وپېژندل؟ Yes, and you also learn the concept of heavy and light. تاسو heavy او light دا مو پیژندل. So now let's start and do practice. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.